Hi guys, welcome to Caribbean Blend, and today I have a surprise for you. Look what I'm making. Jerk chicken fried rice. Yes, jerk chicken fried rice.
Welcome to
Check out this
Caribbean
intro.
Blend. Today, we're sharing our recipes for jerk chicken, oxtail, and curry goat with rice and peas.
Okay, so let's get to the tutorial. So to make jerk chicken fried rice, the Caribbean style way, you'll need some jerk chicken, egg, duck sauce, green onion, white onion, some mixed vegetables, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Okay, you'll need a skillet and some oil. You can use coconut oil or you can use vegetable oil or whatever oil you want, you can use it. I'm using vegetable oil. Okay, so I'm going to heat up my skillet. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in, and then I'm going to crack one egg into this pot. After I crack the egg, I'm going to remove the eye from the egg. Then I'm going to proceed to scramble the egg. You want to stir vigorously so that the egg doesn't stop and clump up, because you want to get it into a nice fine texture. Once we're done scrambling our egg, we will move on to the next process, and that will be starting to layer and add all of our ingredients in one by one. Here we go. So now we're going to put the green onion and the white onion. We won't overcook this. So now we're going to move on to the next ingredient. Okay, so now we're going to add the jerk chicken. This is some leftover jerk chicken that I have. I grilled some chicken 2 days prior. So I took some thighs and some breasts, cut it up, and I'm going to use it to make this rice. Here I have some mixed vegetables. You can opt to use broccoli and cauliflower if you want. I didn't have broccoli at the time, so I used some, usually I'll add the mixed vegetable and the broccoli, but I do not have broccoli, but you can add broccoli if you want to. So here I'm going to just stir it up and blend it. Again, that's why it's called Caribbean blend. Here I have some white rice. And then we're just going to blend all of our ingredients in once we finish adding everything. So now I'm going to add my soy sauce and my Worcestershire sauce and my duck sauce. And we're going to make fried rice, not dry rice. So I'm going to add a good amount of sauces on the rice. Not too much, but the right amount. If you want, you can just add it little by little so that you don't over soak your rice either. But because I know what I'm doing, I'm just adding my sauce as it at once. Because again, fried rice, not dry rice. You should smell the aroma coming from this rice. It is so good. You can eat it by itself, or you can add a meat entree with that. This is a dish that I like to make whenever I make jerk chicken or even jerk pork. I will separate some and then I'll use it to make rice the next day. All right? Because it's a it's a good meal. It can be just a one pot meal too. You can eat it by itself, as I said. Look at that. And here I'm just gonna garnish it with some green onion. And here you have it, guys. Caribbean blend style jerk chicken fry rice. Look how beautiful that is. And it tastes delicious. I hope you go ahead and try it. And when you do try it, leave me a comment and let me know. And if you have any other dishes that you have in mind that you would like me to put my blend on, a Jamaican dish, please leave me a comment and I will try my best to honor your wish. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. I thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please like and please share. And thank you. And I will catch you on the next video.